at the end of the day, what companies are going to need to do is understand the distinctions of the things that are deductible and that aren't deductible. And it is a different world that you're going to operate in. And their partners, the venues and teams, are also going to, and the leagues and the associations and so forth are going to need to be able to help facilitate this for them. And realistically, there are different things. For example, you go out and buy a suite. Inherent in the cost of that suite, there might be food and beverage, which maintains a 50% deductibility. There might be, there's certainly the ticket value, which is not deductible. It might be deductible depending on who's going. If you're just taking business targets or business colleagues, then no. But if you're taking employees, then maybe yes. But realistically, there's a piece of that could be advertising, and so the ability to itemize those things on invoices, to have separate invoicing. In fact, the AICPA just sent a request to the IRS that they opine on these very issues to provide some clarity for companies and venues and teams on what they should be doing. Because the reality is, you're going to need to be able to defend this to the IRS on audit. And so the better the information and the evidence you have of who was there, why they were there, what they were doing there, what you ate there, not necessarily item by item, but whether or not the food and beverage was part of the cost. How much was the value of the tickets? All of those things. Was there an element of advertising? Do you get your name on a jumbotron? Just for being a suite holder. Those are the items that are going to need to be tracked, and you can't really do that on a spreadsheet. Someone's going to have to value the cost of that advertising, and you're going to have to be able to put that together in a very user-friendly format using the available technology to capture those different elements and to be able to share those elements when requested with the IRS.